And hi out there again, everybody. Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another 3 tips in 3 minutes, less or more. Oh, sorry, more or less, as I normally say. Just going to focus on Microsoft Word, the latest version here. And here's the first one. And it involves selecting text with the keyboard. So if I'm just going to click here in the middle of this line here, just going to click that second line there. A lot of you would know, hit the home key. And the home key takes the cursor back to the start of the line. But if I go click back where I was and I go shift home selects in that particular direction. If I click here again somewhere in the middle and I go shift end, and it selects to the end of the line. So with the shift key it selects in that particular direction. Just a little bit more time saving than using the mouse. Now tip number 2 is one you should all know, and that's how to create a new page break very quickly. I'm at the bottom of the first page with this text, and instead of pressing enter, I'll keep going, enter, until I get a new page, we just go back and we use the shortcut Control Enter. And immediately I get a brand new page. Control Enter. And finally, tip number 3, people, I use this all the time. I'll tell you what it is once I show it to you, but here I've got some words, some separate words that aren't next to each other that I had to manually select individually just with the Control key. Now the problem is, if someone comes in or if I decide to change the formatting of those bits of text, say for example I don't want the red color, what I've got to do is manually highlight again. I've got to go back through with a Control key and select all those ones there so I don't have to do it all over again, and so on, and then make the change to whatever I want. No point using the format painter because I've still got to manually select those bits of text to change the formatting. Here's the shortcut. All you do is click on one of them. I'm just going to click on this one here just so the cursor's flashing. Prove your point. I could click over here, powerful, whatever. But that's an example of some of that formatting I need to change. Then I go up onto the Home tab and I go to the right here to select button there and this option here, select text with similar formatting. I'll just click that and bang, straight away it's selected all of that text with the same formatting. And here it is on the second page, even on a different page, that same formatted text is selected. Now I can scroll back up and I can make my change. I can just go, well, I want it to be blue or a bit larger or whatever. And I have done that really quickly. So use that, select text with similar formattings. Mark Mannering signing off with a shorter than usual one, but some great tips there. We cover a lot of this in the Word courses we run, so have a look at that on the website, and see you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.